Well, I know I'm overusing this word, but more progress. I got the power steering pump from over there that's off, and the alternator. Next step is the intake manifold. So, yeah, I'm going to start taking some tubes off and stuff like that, and yeah, once it's off I'll show you. Alright, everything's loose. Let's take this off. Intake manifold's off. This is going to get to cleaning at some point too. I'm going to take everything off, degrease it, and I may paint it. There we go. Alright, well, I did a little bit more. Distributor's gone. PCV valve, oil, filter and oil cooler, the water neck, stuff like that. So here we go, starting to look pretty bare. Alright, showing you the valve cover because, well, it's time to take it off. Let's see how it looks underneath. Oh, that looks really good. Nice and clean. I'm going to put the valve cover down and I'll show you guys. Sorry for the lack of light, but either or. Look at that. No bronzing of anything. Everything looks all nice and clean. So guess what? We're almost ready to take the head off. Almost, I mean. But we're getting there. Alright, well now it's time to get the crank pulley off. And on these Hondas there's a tool, which is kind of like a big X nut that goes into here, and you attach it to your breaker bar or whatever to hold it, then socket goes inside. Well, that's 50 bucks. So here's a tip for you. It's only going to cost you about 10 bucks, because if you're doing this you'll have the rest of the tools. Anyway, get yourself one of these. This is 1.5 to 1 1/4. It's just a little bit too big. You just have to shave a little bit off. You screw that into a T. There you go, you screw it in there. That goes like that, holds it into place. Then you use whatever bar. This is from my jack. And there you go. So that's how you do it. So I'm just going to grind down my fitting here and then show it to you in action. Alright, here we go. It's all set up. I'm going to try it with an impact wrench. My new impact wrench. Woo! Okay. And see if I can get it off. 10 to 1 I probably won't be able to. I'll probably have to use my breaker bar, but hey. Alright, have to use the breaker bar. I'm going to keep on playing with this and I'll get back to you when it's off. Well, just to show you how tough that bolt is to get out, here's the end of my extension. Look at that. Broke off. Fun stuff.